Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you to instantly transform any of your photos into a Captain America cosplay using the free DreamFace app. It's super quick, beginner friendly, and you don't need any editing skills. Okay, let's jump right in. First, if you don't already have DreamFace, just head over to the Play Store and then download it, and then just install it. And don't worry, DreamFace is free to use. And the best part is DreamFace also will give you a weekly free credit so you can try out amazing filters without spending a cent. And once the app is installed, just open it and log in using your Google account. And next, and then you will see the home page like this. Next, just tap on AI filter and then just scroll down until you find cosplay sections. This one, and then just look for Captain America filter. This one, just tap on it and then just upload your photo. This is the one we'll be using to make your photo look like a superhero. And then next, just upload or choose your photo that you want to transform. And for the best result, just pick a clear picture of your face, preferably with good lighting. So with this way, the AI can map the details perfectly. And after that, just hit animate. And okay, like this, as you can see, your photo just transformed into a realistic cosplay versions that it's complete with the iconic suit and even a shield. And then if you want to save it, just tap on download button. You can share it on your social media. And okay, that's it. In just a few steps, you have turned your photo into Captain America cosplay using DreamFace. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.